Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now moving ahead, what do we have today is that an aeroplane has 5 intermediate stops on its route. The aeroplane starts from stop 1 and then stops at stop 2, stop 3, stop 4, stop 5, stop 6 and stop 7 in that order. Okay. Now stop 1 and 7 are called terminal stops. In its return journey, the plane starts from stop 7 and returns to stop 1, stopping at all of the above intermediate stops, okay, in the reverse order. All right. So this is what we have. And the stops are at 7 airports. The 7 airports are Khajuraho, Barangal, Sindh, Kangi, Manthu, Kursi and Thansu, not necessarily in that order. Now some information has been given to us that the aeroplane stops at exactly 2 stops between Mantho and Sindh. Okay, so between Mantho and Sindh, there are going to be 2 stops. But the order is not defined to us, like which one will be to the right of whom. So that means we have these 2 possible cases. Take, we have these 2 possible cases. Then it says immediately before Barangal, the aeroplane stops at Kursi. Okay, so the aeroplane is going to stop at Kursi. Okay, okay. So immediately before Barangal, so Barangal, it is going to stop at Kursi. Okay, Kursi. All right. So this is what we have, and it says the airport at Kangi is not one of the terminal stops. Okay. So we have 7 airports. Okay, 7 stops is what we have. Okay. And now nothing solid has been given to us so that we can like make our table. So we will directly move towards the questions. Now first is that if in case stop 4 is Khajuraho. Okay, so stop 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the order in which we are moving. So this one is Khajuraho. Take, this has been given. Then which among the following must be true? Take it. So if Khajuraho is this airport, okay, if Khajuraho is coming over here, then what are the possibilities that you have for Mantho and Sindh, guys? What are the possibilities that you have for Mantho and Sindh? There are only 2 possibilities. See, Mantho cannot come over here because then Sindh will have to go over here, but there is no place over there. Take, so Mantho and Sindh in these 3 positions, in these 2 positions are not possible. Take it. Mantho over here is possible. Okay, acha, you check Mantho over here is possible. In that case, Sindh will occupy this position. Okay, Sindh will occupy this position. And what is happening is that the other case is that can Mantho come over here? No. In that case, Sindh has to occupy this, but Khajuraho has already occupied. Take, if Mantho comes over here, then Sindh will have to come over here. Take, if Mantho comes over here, Sindh will have to come over here. Now, if Mantho goes here, it's not possible. Mantho going here is not possible. So these are the only 2 cases possible with them being able to interchange their positions. Take, M and S will be able to interchange their positions. Take, it could be in any order. Okay. Now guys, what do we have is, just a second, sorry, it will be MS over here. Take, then what you have is that this Kursi and Barangal, they come together. Okay, Kursi and Barangal, they come together. Take, now immediately before Barangal, the airplane stops at Kursi. Okay, immediately before Barangal, the airplane stops at Kursi. So if this is Barangal, this will be Kursi. Okay, let's write Kursi. We will have to explain Kursi. Take, and in this case, Barangal will be this and Kursi will be this. Okay, now you have been given that Kangi is not a terminal airport. Terminal are the ones 1st and 7th. So Kangi has to occupy this position. And in that case, the last one, that was what? Thansu will be occupying this position over here and this position over here. So we have these 4 cases. Now, which of the following must be true? So either Kursi or Barangal is one of the terminal stops. So yes, that is happening. Second, what we have is second statement. Kangi must be stop 3. That is not always true because in this case, Kangi stop 4, 5. Then it says, so option 2 can never be right. Mantho must be one of the terminal stops. So that is also not happening. And both 1 and 3. So that is also wrong because only statement 1 is the one which you have found to be absolutely correct. So option number 1 is the right answer for this. Coming to the second one. Okay, let us remove the data that we had for the first question. Coming to the second one, what do we have? Okay, in case Thansu is stop 2. Okay, in case Thansu is stop 2. Take, then which of the following cannot be Kurshi Airport? Okay, so the options are 5, 3 or 4. Okay, which of them cannot be Kurshi Airport? So let's say that Kurshi is stop 3. Okay, let's say Kurshi is stop 3. Okay, Kurshi is stop 3. Take, now if that has been given, that means it says that immediately before Barangal, okay, immediately before Barangal, the plane should stop at Kursi. So in that case, Barangal would be this. Okay, in that case, Barangal would be this. Okay, in that case, it would be impossible to accommodate this Manthu and Sindh because they need space of 2 in between them. Now, if Mantho comes over here, will have a space of 3, and if Mantho comes in this position, it is not possible. Okay, so if Kurshi is top 3, it is never possible to have your to accommodate all the airports. Okay, so Kurshi cannot be top 3. So now it is clear that either option 2 is right or 4 is right, because stop 3 definitely is the right answer. Ki stop 3 pe it cannot be Kurshi. But we have also one more option, that is stop 3 and stop 4. So we will check for that as well. So if this is Kurshi, okay, if this is Kurshi, then this will be Barangal. If that is Barangal, what are the possibilities that you have? That you will have M and S occupying these positions, okay, in any order. In that case, Kangi will definitely have to occupy one of the terminal stops. That is not possible. So Kurshi occupying the 4th position is also not possible. Hence, the correct answer is option number 4, stop 3 and stop 4. Take. Now come to the third one. What do we have is that after leaving the terminal stop during the return journey, okay, the third place where the aeroplane stopped it as is the Kangi airport. Okay, so third place where the plane stopped was the Kangi airport while in the return journey. So it is saying that Kangi is going to occupy this position. Okay, now how many possible positions out of the 7 can Thansu airport occupy in the return journey? All right, so in the return journey it is talking about. Take. All right, so what we know is that Manthu and Sindh they definitely need to have this okay, which is it? It's Kangi airport. The third place where the airplane stops is the Kangi airport. Okay, all right, in the return journey when the plane stops. Okay, when the plane stops, so when return journey started from here, this is the first stop, this is the second, and this is the third stop. Okay, so Kangi will be occupying this position. Okay, now when Kangi occupies this position, we have already seen in the first statement when we were doing, when an airport was given stop 4, okay, what was happening? What was the thing that was happening? That you had only 2 options for MNS, those were these. Take, either it could be this or MNS could be this. Take, MNS could be this. So we have 2 possible options here over here. Take, we have 2 possible options over here that are happening. Take care. Now guys, what is happening over here is that in this case, now what you need both of them, these 2 people, your Kurshi and Barangal, you need them together. Take a Kurshi and Barangal, what you need them is together. Take, so Kurshi and Barangal will occupy these positions and Kurshi and Barangal will occupy these positions. Take, now guys, what is happening is you are left with 2 stops that are Khajuraho and Thansu. Okay, now guys, if you talk about this case, then what is happening is that there are 2 possibilities, that Khajuraho can occupy this position, and in that case Thansu will go over here, or Thansu can occupy this position and Khajuraho will go over here. So from this case we have 2 possible positions for Thansu. Okay, this and this, and similarly over here also they can interchange their position because nobody has a problem with anything. So from here also we get 2 possible positions for Thansu. That means the total possible positions Thansu can take in this case would be 4, that is option number 2. So this was a pretty easy set guys, and hope all of you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.